So this is the typical gesture, Gestapo gesture. You see that fellow in the striped shirt, not the one in white shirt. That's behind him, just below that red banner. You see this the gentleman. Gentleman is showing me, looking at me and showing that sign, the Gestapo gesture. There is another vulgar gesture which is more frequently used, which was more frequently used in the past. Nowadays it is hardly ever seen, but here you get a chance of seeing that as well. Not only men but women also do it. Women in high society, supposed to be ladies again within inverted commas, within quotes. And let's see what happens. Now the gentleman realizes that I may not be able to see him clearly when he is doing it from within the shop, and so he walks out into the open. Yes, he is in the open now. Yes, he's putting his hand to his head in that Gestapo gesture. It's not just like that, somebody showing a sign. Or, this is carefully chosen so that, I mean, even people, by habit or, in once in a while people do it, and so that it can be confused or it can be claimed that he was doing it just like that and there's no indication or anything. But, those who know the things are aware of what it is. And right now, today, there is a carpenter and company standing out, I mean, working in a neighboring house. And as I was getting out, this fellow was, one pimp was teaching the other pimp how to do it and that sort of a thing. Well, there's not much of a point talking about it. Let's see, go ahead with the movie. Yeah, he turns around and there is someone standing in the shop, and that fellow is the one who's instructing him. So, see his next action. This fellow has been told to hold his penis in his hand and look at me, and he's doing that. The gentleman is doing that. Yes, he is holding his penis in his hands, and he's looking at me. This is another gesture that is very frequently used, mostly in the past, by males as well as females of the ladies. The I don't want to elaborate on that. I mean, they are supposed to be no great people, intellectuals, and such of Thiruvananthapuram.
See, this thing happened in Tirunelveli city some time back. Rest assured, as long as I'm ambulance, all that the Indian Gestapo is going to do is keep a safe distance and bark from there. But I'm getting on in age and things might change. I don't want a rabbit biped member of the Indian PM service at my deathbed taking out his penis and stroking it looking at me in the name of behavioral therapy you doctors have prescribed. That's not too much of an ask, or is it?